Student Planning Overview. Southeast Community College's Student Planning tool allows you to view your progress toward program completion, plan courses that meet your specific program requirements, determine how those courses can best fit into your schedule, as well as allow you to easily register for planned courses during the open registration period prior to the start of each term. To access student planning, first log into the Hub at thehub.southeast.edu using your SCC ID and password. For further assistance with the Hub, your SCC ID or password, contact the Helpdesk at helpdesk@southeast.edu or 402-437-2447. From the Hub, select Student Self-Service to access the Southeast Community College self-service options. Then click the Student Planning tile. The Student Planning homepage will display with options to either view your progress or plan your degree and register for classes. Any notifications or holds that may impact your ability to register for the upcoming term will display in the upper right-hand corner of the page. To view notification or hold details, click the yellow warning box. In addition to planning and registering for upcoming terms, student planning also allows you to view a summary of admission test scores and request a transcript. From the student planning dropdown, you can view a summary of admission test scores by selecting the Test Summary option. Request a transcript by selecting the Unofficial Transcript option.